Hey guys, it's Calvin, and I'm sorry I haven't made a video in the last few weeks. Things have been actually pretty busy for me, and as a very quick update, over the last few weeks I've been busy packing and moving. I'm actually changing cities, and I'm also going through a bit of a career transition, a pretty big one. If you guys want updates on any of that stuff, I'd be happy to make a video on it, maybe in the future. But right now, I'm in my new workplace. I'm trying to set up this studio. I have a few things already built. I'm actually sitting here on the floor right now. And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a time lapse of me setting up my new desk. So I actually just picked up the tabletop here from IKEA, and I have the wooden legs or the wooden stands right there where this desk is gonna sit on top of. And I'm also going through all of these boxes trying to unpack it and set it up and all sorts of stuff. I do have the iPhone 6 right there waiting for me to do the time lapse of me setting up this desk so you guys can enjoy me struggling to set up this desk all by myself. And this desk is gonna be my primary desk for all of the work that I do. It's gonna have a glass tabletop. It's gonna have a mounting stand for 2 monitors, as well as space for a keyboard, a mouse, a plant, a lamp, my MacBook, and I'll probably put the PC that I have down on the floor. But once this desk is all set up, I'll go ahead and give a very quick tour of what's on it. I'm probably not gonna set up every single wire, and I'm not gonna bore you guys with all the cable management because that's just gonna take way too much time. But for everything that you see on this desk setup, I'll go ahead and leave in the description down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. And if you guys have any questions on any of the items here or how I set up stuff, or if you guys want a full office studio tour later on, please let me know down in the description, or the comments, not the description, the comments down below, and I'd be happy to help you guys out as best I can. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so that is it. That is my desk setup. It is right there. Now obviously some of the wires and stuff have not been set up. I haven't plugged in any of the monitors or my PC or anything. I just wanted to get the general setup out of the way, and you can see that it turned out pretty well. And I'll just go over a few of the things, actually all of the things that are on this desk right now. So as you can see, it is a glass tabletop. This is the glass home tabletop. It measures about 60 inches by 30 inches. I got it from IKEA for about 50 bucks. And it's sitting on top of these 2 wooden black trestles. They are called the Oddball trestle legs, and they run about $15 each, also from IKEA. And of course, we have this nice gray lamp that sits right there in the corner. That was from IKEA. I forgot what it was called, but I think it was $12 or $13. I could be mistaken. If I do find it, I'll leave it in the description below. Then down here, I have my 2014 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's running an i7 Intel Core processor at 2.5 gigahertz. And I also have this Apple wired keyboard, which, don't hate me, it's actually connected to my PC. And the reason I'm using this Apple keyboard is, honestly, I just like the way the Apple keyboard feels. It's really nice to type on, and it is very clean, very minimal. Then sitting right next to it is the Logitech M320 mouse. I don't know if it's gonna work on this surface. I haven't tried it out yet. I might have to get a pad for it, but if it doesn't work out, or if it does, I'll let you guys know. And in the back for the speaker systems, we have these pretty basic Logitech Z13 or Z313 speaker setup. The subwoofer is down below the desk, and they do have some pretty decent sound. Nothing too crazy, but it works well for my setup. I really like the speakers, so I'm gonna keep them. And of course we have the Vivo mounting system for these 2 Asus dual monitors. It was fairly easy to set up, but as you can see, I actually had to pull the arms out beyond the desk edge, so I'm actually gonna have to keep the desk slightly away from the wall, but it's not too big of an issue. It actually seems to be pretty fine. And as far as the monitors go, these are two Asus monitors. They are 23.6 inches each. They are full high definition LED. They do run 1080. I would have liked 4K, but honestly, I just don't have the budget for it right now. But the monitors work really well. They will be connected to the PC as well as the MacBook. So I actually have an HDMI switch that I'll be installing so I can flip through whether I want 2 monitors for the MacBook or 2 for the PC. And of course, the PC down here, this is a custom built PC. I don't really use it for gaming. I do most of my work and programming on here, and I could have just bought a pre-built computer, but honestly, it was a lot of fun trying to make this thing. So this is a Core i5-7500. It's running 3.4 gigahertz, and the graphics card is a 2 gigabyte GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card. And those components are sitting on a Z270 HD 3 gigabyte motherboard. So there you go. That is the desk setup. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and actually start wiring everything and making sure everything works. But for now, I'm pretty excited about the setup. This is my first, I guess, official desk setup. And I also have my other setup here, which is, let's not even talk about that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see a full studio setup maybe later on, please let me know. But for now, enjoy the desk setup, and I'll see you guys in the next one.